up, come and play. Pets and fruits in a fantastic way. Laugh and learn with every bite. Playtime pop-up shining bright. See the puppy zoom with a banana. Kitten giggles at the watermelon splash. Bunny hops with a strawberry cheer. Hamster munches pineapple with a dash. Zooming, giggles, boing. Fruits are fun, fruits are sweet. Healthy treats for tiny feet. Colors, shapes, and flavors too. Playtime pop-up brings them to you. Ding, ding, cheerful melody. Apples, oranges, grapes, and pears. Jumping, dancing, flying in the air. Try them all, just one bite. Pets and fruits make your day bright. Whistle!